In this video we give you 5 pro tips for your Efteling visit. Most visitors start the day with the first attraction they see, mostly Fata Morgana or Symbolica. Our tip: save these for later on the day. The wait times will decrease tremendously. Start your day instead with Dreamflight in Marenrijk or Vogelrok at Reizenrijk. The roller coaster area is always a busy place. There are free maps available at the entrance of the park, but way better is to download the Efteling app on your smartphone. This app will help you navigate the park. You can see show times and waiting times, and you can also book a restaurant or place a food order at some of the food stand to speed up your day. The Efteling is most definitely a multi-day park with over 30 attractions, counting the fairy tale forest, where you spend more than 2 hours as one, and multiple shows. There's a lot to see and to discover. So when you visit, plan at least 2 days to soak it all in. With 72 hectares, and that's 178 acres, the Efteling is the largest theme park of the Benelux. This is almost twice the size of Disney's Magic Kingdom, so there's a lot of walking to do. And there is no virtual queue or fastpass in the park, so you have to stand in line. Sometimes there is a test with virtual queue or fastpass. Follow our news updates on our channel to stay informed when such a test takes place. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's go on! The tap water in the Netherlands is drinkable and of a high quality. So you can bring your own drink cup or buy a bottle in the park and fill it up at one of the many water tap points in the park. Some of them are hidden in plain sight. The water of all the fountains is drinkable unless otherwise signed like geen drinkwater, what means no drinking water. What did you find most helpful on your journey to the Efteling? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We see you next time in the next video of the Dutch Theme Park Network.